Hello everyone. So this is a nice announcement video. So up until now, since 2022, we've been using this generation board for V1.3 EGS. And whilst it's been good, I did already say that there needs to be improvements made to it. And now, from when this video goes live, it will now be available on the store that you can buy this newer version of the board. This board also adds in the torque converter Zener circuit and with some nice handy dandy installation instructions, which you only need a knife to just cut these two jumpers here and move this to there, like that, to enable the torque converter Zener mode. No need now for this board to go there and for you to solder everything up on that board. Also, the power delivery and just general board noise is way better than the other iteration, because obviously I've been learning for the past few years about PCB design, and overall it looks a lot nicer, I'd like to say. Also, additionally, on this board, I don't know if you can see that, but next to the brake wire, pin 8, there's an additional 5-volt output there, for those who might need it for some external sensor circuit or whatever. But yeah, just wanted to quickly show that this is now live, and those of you who've bought on the store but haven't shipped yet, I've retrospectively upgraded your order to one of these from that board. The old board will still be available on the website just so I can empty the stock, but it will be for a reduced price, and this will now take the main place on the storefront. So yeah, just wanted to say that this is finally available now. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I guess when I've got another update, you'll see another video from me. So, goodbye.